Hi friends, are you trying to decide if you want to make a move this year or you should wait till January? Every year I help sellers make this same call. And based on my experience, there are 3 reasons that you still want to consider selling before the holidays. So first, getting a jump start on selling can put you one step ahead of other sellers. Many people tend to hold off listing their homes until after the holidays, but you can still stand out by starting the process right now. Second, get in front of eager buyers. There aren't enough homes on the market, so the people who are looking to move need more options. And by listing your house now, you'll catch the attention of those motivated buyers. Finally, you can use your equity to fuel your move. Homeowners are sitting on record amounts of equity. You may even have enough to cover at least part of your down payment on your dream home. So if you're thinking about moving, please don't put off your plans until the new year. There are perks that come with getting it done now. Give me a call and maybe you can even kick off the new year in your brand new home. Make it a great day.